Hi everyone, welcome to Unit 6, Week 5, Day 2. Today is Thursday, and we are working on the chair card. So we remember that, let me get my colors out. A-I-R says air as in chair. A-R-E says air as in share. E-A-R says air as in bear. Okay, let's blend. K, air, put it together. Care. Air, put it together. Pair. W, air, where. D, air, dare. Now some of you might want to say dar, but dar isn't a word, so it'd have to be the air sound. P, air, pear. Air, hair. B, air, bear. Sk, air, scare. T, air, tear. Now this can be tear as well, but today we're working on the air sound, so it's tear. B, air, bear. Ch, air, chair. Air, rare. Let me put that up there. B, air, bear. Oh, bear, barely. Okay, air. So compound word, airfare. And airfare is when you buy a ticket and how much that costs. Okay, let's blend this. Air, rare. Change the to k, care. Change the k to d, dare. Change the d to b, bear. Change the b to st, stare. Now this time, change the air to r, star. Change the r to air, stare. Change the st to ch, chair. Change the ch to h, hair. Change the h to p, pear. Change the air to air, this air. Pair, so this is like a pair of shoes, and this is like a pear that you eat. Change the p to what, where. Change the what to t, tear. Change the t to b, bear. Okay, here are our bling words. 7. The word 7 rhymes with heaven. 10. The number 10 has 2 digits in it. 8. 8 is a great number. 9. I chose 9 friends to come to my party. 2. I have 2 best friends. Okay, so once again we're looking for the air sounds. So it says a pear at the fair. Now this is not like a pear that you eat. This is like a pair of friends, so 2 friends. Okay, it was early July when the town threw a fair. A pair of young mice began to wonder why so many mice had gone to the fair. The pair could see many kinds of stands. One mouse said, "Look, it's a dairy stand." Dairy is where they have like milk, cheese, and such products. "It's a dairy stand. Let's get a favorite food. Cheese! Just a scrap or shred is enough." The other mouse said, "We can also drink milk through a straw. I will try to find a chair and sit." The mice found stairs and went up to drink some milk. Just then a loud noise gave them a big surprise. The mice fell in the milk with a splash. Their hair got all wet and white. What a mess! The mice got out of the milk and sprinted away. Then they looked and saw a few mice screaming on a fun ride. Soon they took a turn of their own. As the mice left the fair that night, they saw a huge flag in the air. It was red, white, and blue. It had stars and stripes. Then the pair knew why all the mice were there. Okay, so there's an R-controlled vowel in each word. Say the words clapping for each syllable, and then we'll draw a line between. So, hairy. So we'd break it right here. So the A-I-R stays glued together. So hairy. Now let's do burning. Burn. So that's going to stay together too, the UR. Okay, let's see if we did it right. Yep, we did. Hairy, burning. Okay, let's do a few more. Fairly, fairly. So we're going to break it right there and keep the AIR together. Target, target. We're going to break it right here by the AR and keep the AR together. Barely, barely. So the ARE that says air stays together. And then repair, repair. So we're going to break that and the air stays together. Okay, so we have been working on adverbs. Adverbs can tell how an action takes place. Here are some examples of adverbs: slowly, quickly, loudly, softly, neatly, gladly. So it tells you how something is happening. Okay, here we go. We slowly carried the heavy tree. 3, 2, 1. Slowly is my adjective. They're moving the tree slowly. Then we gladly placed the tree in the hole. 3, 2, 1. Gladly. You're doing it happily, like you're happy about it. Happy Arbor Day, Dad said loudly. 3, 2, 1. Loudly. Okay, let's do a few more. Ethan neatly made his bed. 3, 2, 1. Neatly. Ethan loudly ran down the stairs. 3, 2, 1. Loudly. He gladly wished his mom a happy Mother's Day. 3, 2, 1. Gladly. So adverbs tell us how something is happening. Quickly, slowly, happily, sadly, and the ly helps us know it's an adverb. Okay, everyone, see you tomorrow.